Go Clint, it's your birthday. You gonna party like it's your birthday. Oh my God, you scratched your sliders. Whoop. Go driver. Towards me. Been hanging out with Greg too long.
Hey.
Dude, it drops down 7 feet on the back side of this.
Gets a little bit easier.
Yeah, this is pretty dope.
Two-wheel drive.
Yeah. What's happening, Rare Fam? How you doing? It's another Sunday morning here in Arizona, about 9:30, 64 degrees. We're heading out with a massive group. I don't know, it's like 50, 60 Jeeps and trucks and God knows everything. We got all kinds of rigs out here today. I'm gonna go do just a really easy trail out on the west side. I'm gonna go check out a couple historical landmarks, the Gillespie Dam, the site of the Amtrak derailment from like the 90s or something like that. So very chill route today. Just hanging out. Never been out in this area, but me and Greg are gonna be keeping our eyes peeled for some hopefully exciting other stuff off to the sides of the trail that we can hit later on subsequent trips out, because it's out in our area. So like seeing new stuff, especially new stuff that's close to home that's fun to play on. Let's boogie, man. 53 rigs out here. Wild. Got some pretty cool drone footage. Almost crashed it into the bridge. But we got her back. Go Clint, it's your birthday. You gonna party like it's your birthday. Are you gonna sip Bacardi like it's your birthday? You're fine. There's nothing there.
Says I'm a couple feet from my doors. If I bounce, I'm fucked.
You're not gonna bounce. You're gonna come this way towards me.
He says, I think you'll make it, Uncle.
Oh my God, you scratched your sliders.
Hey,
Jesus.
I scratched them a lot. Whoop. What do you think, Joe? I can't see it.
You're fine. Keep coming, driver. Go, driver. Towards me, Groovy. Been hanging out with Greg too long.
Hey. How are we doing on the right side? He's just...
Stay driver.
All right, don't care about that.
Quit turning passenger. Stay driver.
You got the picture? You ready? We're gonna go slow. I said I'm gonna go slow. I should be getting ready to drop on the right side.
Come up this V right there. Be too tight down there in the turn. You can't turn down
We
there.
got sandy feet. We got sandy feet. Oh. I don't know, dude. That is crazy shit right there.
Dude, it drops down 7 feet on the back side of this.
This is like
Yeah.
a man's cave. Be in it.
The rock formation here is really cool.
Whoa.
Yeah, no, this is.
We
Oh, hell no. Fuck that. You need a juggy or some sort.
We have a better chance of doing that than this.
Oh yeah, look, it goes up and
At least
around.
there you have something.
No chance.
Gets a little bit easier.
If you make it past this part, it's maybe doable.
I gotta go see maybe doable. Oh wow! Guys, this is great! We gotta bring the JKs out here.
Loose grab off the bottom.
Oh, this is cool. This is real cool.
Looks like if you make it past that, it's just regular wash over there.
Yeah.
But that gatekeeper,
There's footprints all down in there. Probably from animals,
yeah,
cows and shit. Pin this on the map.
That-
Yeah, this is pretty dope. You're still in 4 high?
Two-wheel drive.
Someone needs some bump stops.
Now you're in 1-wheel drive. All right. Well, it's been pretty fun. We're turning around. We've been on trail for probably about 4 or 5 hours or so, and it was basically just continuing to be a dirt road. So we're gonna head back. Not really sure what we'll do, but we're gonna grab something to eat. It's already 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock actually. We still have several hours to go before we get to the end of the trail that we started. So we're just gonna break off and go do something different. It was fun. It's not that it's not fun. I'm enjoying myself, but it's a long ways and we just keep going further and further west and south. Some of us want to go eat. Some of us want to go home. I want to go eat. I'm hungry. It is 3 o'clock. We've been out here all day on this flat dirt road. I want to go eat.